I'm J-Intell. My studio is Omina Laboratories, located in downtown Sacramento, and I am a Recording Connection mentor. About 2 weeks ago, I was going through some old boxes and I actually found the original 4-track that I ever purchased. It was a Tascam, 4 faders on it, tape, and I bought that really to record my band, which my band was called Omina Band. And that's, the name ended up kind of staying with me, and that's how the studio became Omina Laboratories. So in here I'm sitting in Studio A, which is our main studio here, where we feature a brand new SSL Origin Console. It's one of the newest consoles out for solid state logic. I love this console because you can do full analog mixing on it, and it works coincided with the digital, and it's a great console. Love the sound. Definitely have a lot of attraction. Alongside with this, we're running a full mastering rack to where we're running the Brainworx system for mastering, as well as some Shadow Hills, Rupert Neve, API EQs, and Manley mastering limiters. As for our monitors, our main mixing monitors are Meyer Sound HD1s. And then we have to have the classic NS-10s. And then if you look in our cabinets, we also have a club system in here. In the booth, we have a couple microphones here. Our go-to is the Neumann U87. In our Studio B, we feature a full Pro Tools HD 3 system. We have a SSL master bus compressor. So for recording, we're getting top-notch recordings back there. When Recording Connection contacted me initially, I was a little skeptical. When they approached me, I was like, oh, take one student, just see how it pans out, see if this is real. And it has worked out. What I really liked about the program is that, we could work around people's schedules and people's lives, and mine as well. But the big thing that I love about the school and what really sold me is, the one-on-one. And I remember when I was going to school, I would be in a classroom with 50 people. And the class is an hour and a half long maybe. And we're doing a class on auxiliaries. And the next thing you know, this guy's talking about his home studio, this guy's talking about his record label, this guy's talking about his album, this guy's talking about his cousin that's doing something or bought some new gear. And by the time I left the classroom, I'm still like, what is an auxiliary? And that's what I really, emphasize to all my students here is like, listen, when I do the interviews with them before they even come in, I let them know the goal here is, this is not a time frame. The goal is to make sure you understand and get it. And that's what I want. I want you to know what's happening and really understand, what we're learning. On my wall, I made top 100 on Billboard 8 times. I've worked with E40, Tech 9, Mos Def. I just recently went gold with Mozzy. I've been blessed to be in a scenario that allows big artists to come in my direction, because when you come to Sacramento, this is where you come. And I've been able to just build a name for myself that, I actually have people hitting me up, famous people contacting me, and I'm blessed. Working with Recording Connection, is just great for all of us around, because I love seeing people succeed, and I like being a part of that. I have a student that opened a studio on the other side of the city. Great. Love it. He's doing his thing. I had another student that opened a record label. I've actually hired a couple students here. So I've had several students work for me for several years. It just goes to show that, like, as an audio engineer and someone in this industry, that there's other options of occupations. So when you come into here and we do the interview, I want to see ambition. I want to see chin up, really passionate. Are you a musician? Do you want to be an engineer? Like, what career do you want to be in exactly? And, I want to talk about that. And I want to make sure that, this is the right class for you. If it's not the right class for you, we have other classes. Let's make sure that you're in the right class. What I'm looking for is someone that is going to be on time, punctual, that is willing to work. I've had students I've accepted and students I haven't accepted for different reasons. I really need to know that you are here to work. As long as you come in here confident, ready to go, willing to work, and you really want to do this, and I see that, let's work.